We're not so much as keeping up with the trends, but I would say that we're at the forefront of the trend in terms of we're a connectivity provider that is offering solutions ranging from the devices themselves to the cloud solution and the connectivity platform. We have over 10 years of research in connectivity, ultra-low power devices and algorithms. So we're exploiting these research elements to offer solutions and provide new answers to all problems. Yeah, there have been some major problems up till now. One of the biggest issues has been with the battery, because battery power until now has represented the main barrier. If you have large numbers of mobile assets connected with battery-powered devices, then any benefits that you see are removed from the battery logistics. However, we've implemented ultra-low energy techniques, and also we have onboard energy harvesting. This is a game changer because it means that our devices can send messages every 5 minutes for the length of the lifetime of the asset. There's different elements to the zero maintenance challenge. One of them is the battery life. But there's also bi-directional communication, which means that we can update the firmware remotely from anywhere, so you can change and enhance the features on demand. And we've also made sure that it's future-proof by implementing multiple communication protocols. As the standards develop, we have the things on board. Absolutely. I mean, we developed this initially for the containers, but we've noticed that the greatest traction at the moment is in the rail freight sector. So we have a new device which is an ATEX Class 1 device, which is now being equipped onto rail freight fleets. And we've just signed a deal with one of the major European rail operators that will make us market leader in the next year. There's various markets that are opening to us. We have opportunities in the security sector and also in the logistics, across the logistics chain. I think the real future of this is once the infrastructure starts to be implemented on a large scale, it's about the value, return on investment, and the opportunities for the customer in terms of the events and the notifications. So you don't want to receive too much information. As you can see, there's massive amounts of data coming in, but the data needs to be managed with big data algorithms so that only the important events actually reach the customer for action. And also, it's about enhancing the whole chain so that you have the ERP connection or the business intelligence connection, so that you can actually start to automate the business processes and to reduce your costs throughout the business with the information. One of the things that we tend to focus on is the events. So actually, this is where the real value is, and we want to, with our complex event processing, we want to enable the customer to combine events on an ad hoc basis. We call it complex event processing, and this is the really clever stuff that you can do with the big data and with the analytics platform that we've put in place.